SBUX stock analysis, should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors, courses, and when I say this, I've made like 40,000 videos, so you can even fake this, and I've seen what's making money and what's not. Have all the data. And looking at SBUX, I mean, it's super solid still. Like, I'm not going like short term because we're inside a demand zone and confirmation, and me just trying to force trades there is just going to be just that, just forcing. And in this instance, I'm only going to care about having breaks above $86.77 and onwards. And if there's not a shift and a double break, what I'm not going to do is get involved and randomly start buying. Again, that's how SBUX is looking like for me. In the meantime, all I will keep doing is, again, still keep waiting. So there's no way that I'm going to get involved as of right now. Not forever though, it's now. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And for people who, doesn't show any out of my receipts in my Discord server, but that's that.